Hello everyone, I am Pankaj Pandey and you are watching my YouTube channel Biology Classes. Today in Biology Classes we are going to study about spermatogenesis process. Spermatogenesis process forms sperm in the testes. First we look how sperm forms in the testes in spermatogenesis process. Sperm forms in testes. This process is called spermatogenesis. The formation of sperms in the spermatogenesis process includes. In the spermatogenesis process, there are three stages. Number first, multiplication stage. Number second, growth stage. And number third, maturation stage. Next, we will study about diagram of spermatogenesis process. In the spermatogenesis process, there is a primary germ cell. There is a cell which is called primary germ cell. Primary germ cell. Primary germ cell divides many times by the meiosis division. And forms a new cell which is called spermatogonia. These cells are called spermatogonia, which is forms by the meiosis division. This is multiplication stage. So as we see in multiplication stage, there is a primary germ cell. This primary germ cell divides many times by the division of meiosis and forms new cells which is called spermatogonia. Next stage is growth stage. In growth stage, one spermatogonia takes excess food and increase their size. One spermatogonia takes excess food and increase their body size. This cell is called primary spermatocyte cell. This stage is called growth stage. So as we see, growth stage is smallest stage in spermatogenesis process, in which one spermatogonia takes excess food and increase their body size. This cell is called primary spermatocyte cell. This phase is growth stage. Next stage starts maturation stage. From here, in maturation stage, primary spermatocyte cell divides by the meiosis division and forms a new cell which is called secondary spermatocyte cell. These secondary spermatocyte cells forms spermatid. These cells are called spermatid. Spermatid cells forms from secondary spermatocyte cell. Spermatids makes sperms. This is maturation phase. In maturation phase starts from primary spermatocyte cells meiosis division. When primary spermatocyte cells gets divided and forms a new cell which is called secondary spermatocyte cell. Secondary spermatocyte forms spermatid. Secondary spermatocyte cell spermatid forms and spermatid forms sperms. Sperms are male gamete. Here we can see the structure of sperms. As we told, sperms are the male gamete. There are three parts in the sperms. Number first, head. Number second, middle part. And third is tail. This is sperms. This is first part of the sperms. It is second parts of the sperms, and it is longest part of the sperm, which is called tail. Head, middle part, and tail. In the structure of sperms, we can see upper parts of the sperms, which is surrounded by a nucleus. It is nucleus, which is found in the head of sperms. Head of sperms is pointed. It's called acrosome. Acrosome is upper pointed part of the sperms, which helps sperms to enter in the ovum. Mid part of the head and tail is called middle part of the sperms. Mitochondria found in the middle part of the sperms, which provide energy to move sperms. Tail, as we told, tail is the longest part of the sperms. We saw sperms are the male gamete. There are three parts of the sperms. Number first head है, second is middle part, and third is tail. Head is upper part of the sperms, which is surrounded by nucleus. In the mid of head, there is a nucleus found in the sperms. Upper part of the sperms of head, there is a pointed part, which is called acrosome. Acrosome helps sperms to enter in the ovum during fertilization process. Head, mid part of the head and tail is called middle part of the sperms. In the middle part of the sperms, mitochondria is found, which provide energy to sperms to moving. And the tail is the longest back part of the sperms. This is spermatogenesis process. In spermatogenesis process, there are three stages: multiplication stage, growth stage, and maturation stage. We told you spermatogenesis process is the formation of sperm process. Sperms forms in the male testes after 14 years old. In a boy. So as we saw, multiplication stage, growth stage, and maturation stage makes complete to spermatogenesis process in a male testes. Thank you.